Hello student, this is lecture for BSc second year class and paper is ring theory, paper number is 10, semester is 4th semester. Today we are discussing elementary properties of ring. So which properties, primary properties satisfied by a ring? So in ring, A into 0 is equal to 0 into A is equal to 0. That means whatever the multiplication operation is there, R plus dot be the any ring. So this plus maybe operation, some operation will be there, dot maybe some operation will be there. So in ring, if A into 0 is equal to 0 into A, then we get the product is 0. That means this binary operation 0. A into minus B is equal to, this can be written as minus of AB is equal to minus A into B. Third is minus A minus B is equal to AB. Fourth is, that is the left distributive law, A of B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. Then fifth is B minus CA is equal to BA minus CA. So these are simple properties. So one question may be raised in your mind that this is a very trivial, but student, try to understand. This is not a simple multiplication. This is a symbol of the multiplication, but this is a binary operation, and binary operation may be defined at a certain time and certain rules will be used there. So don't take this is a usual multiplication. This maybe some operations will be there. So it is not so easy. So A into 0 is equal to 0 into A is equal to A. Actually it is not into, it is not multiplication. We are saying that it is the convention. Remember please it. So A and 0, between them there is a binary operation, and that operation is a dot, and we say it as product. Okay. So A into 0 is, we have to prove that like this. So dear student, we are going to prove first property. So we have A0 is equal to, can be written as A into 0 plus 0. I can write it because 0 is the additive identity. Then left distributive law, using left distributive law, because in the ring left distributive law satisfy A into 0 plus A into 0. Then this A0 can also be written as 0 plus A0, because A0 belongs to the elements of the ring. So 0 plus A0 can be written as A0, no doubt, because 0 is the additive identity. So 0 plus A0 is equal to A0 plus A0. Now R is a group, and in group we know that left cancellation law, right cancellation law holds, and therefore using the right cancellation law, so this A0 get cancelled, we get 0 is equal to A0. That means 0 is equal to A0. Now similarly we can prove 0A is equal to 0. No doubt we can show this by using this above concept. So 0A can be written as 0 plus A is equal to A, can be written as 0A plus 0A by right distributive law, because it is a ring and ring always satisfy right distributive law. Then 0 plus A0 we can write this is, because 0 is the identity element, and identity element plus any element is that element. So 0 plus 0A is equal to 0A plus 0A. We get this again by using the right cancellation law. This get cancelled, 0A and 0A, we get 0 is equal to 0A. So therefore we conclude that A0 is equal to 0A is equal to 0. This is our proof. Now second proof is that, what is the second? Second is A of minus B is equal to minus of AB is equal to minus AB, we can write in this way, isn't it? So here, see here, A into minus B plus B is equal to A0, any doubt? No doubt, because minus B plus B 0. This is a ring, therefore R plus is an abelian group. So with respect to plus, B and minus B are additive inverse, so therefore their sum will be 0. Now using the left distributive law, A into minus B in A, B is equal to 0. Now transfer this term to the right hand side, we get minus of AB. So A of minus B is nothing but minus of AB. Now how we can transfer this? Since in the ring A plus B 0 hai, so A is equal to minus B 100%, because A and B will be inverse of each other. So these two elements are also inverse of each other. Therefore we take here minus sign for the AB. So A of minus B can be written as minus of AB. Similarly, this we was kept here minus B to the right of A. Here we will keep it at left of B. So minus A plus A, B is equal to 0B. Yes, no problem. Then right distributive law. Okay. Then we are using right distributive law. This element is nothing but 0. Isn't it? And so that we get A is equal to minus B, and therefore minus of AB nothing but minus AB. So therefore A of minus B and minus A of B is both are equal, that is the minus AB. Now we will discuss about third point, and that is minus A minus B is equal to AB. So minus A minus B is equal to AB. See here. Minus A minus B is equal to. So here we can write minus A. Take minus from this minus A, minus sign is there. Minus sign out of the bracket, and then minus A into B is there. Since A of minus B is minus AB, our previous result showed that. See this previous result. If there is a minus sign, if there is a minus AB, we can write minus of AB, no doubt. So therefore minus A minus B, take this minus sign common minus, and then we can write minus AB. That means A into minus B, A into minus B again minus AB, isn't it? So we can write this, and then again we can take this minus sign out of the bracket, and we get minus minus plus C. That is so simple. Now we have to discuss fourth point. One second. No. Okay. So fourth point is that A into B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. Now we have to show that this. So student, here take left hand side. I am taking left hand side. So A into B minus C is equal to A. I can write like this. Yes, no doubt. Then use distributive law, left distributive law, left distributive law. Okay, using left distributive law. So this equal to AB and plus minus of AC. By our previous result, minus AB can be written as minus of AB can be written as A of minus B. No doubt, we have already proved this. Okay, so this can be written as AB minus AC. Now fifth term or the fifth axiom is that we have B minus C into A is equal to, I write here like this, into A is equal to BA plus minus CA, and minus CA can be written as minus CA. This is equal to BA minus CA. Here right distributive law used. right distributive law. So therefore all these some integral properties, that is elementary properties of the ring has been finished. Dear student, you try to revise it yourself, and if any difficulties you can give me suggestion, or any difficulty, any doubt, you can ask me. I will try to solve your question. You can use chat box for that. Thank you very much.